All right. $100 a day on YouTube. I'm going to share with you today some simple techniques that will get you to $100 a day or more on YouTube by making simple videos. So stay with me throughout this entire video so you can get all 3 tips before you get started. Stay with me. What's up, guys? Zeb here, and today we're going to be talking about how to earn $100 or more per day making simple videos on YouTube. Now, guys, this is going to be a beginner's tips and tricks on how to make $100 a day with minimal subscribers. Of course, this will work for you even if you have tons of subscribers. It'll work even better. So stay with me throughout this video so you can follow me, get all these tips and tricks so you can get out there and make that money. All right. So guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle. Now, if you are new, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And guys, if you are more interested in a passive income, one that can earn you a full-time income online, this is what I use. Click down below, my #1 recommendation to make a full-time passive income online. Click that link and I'll send you over some information. All right, guys, let's get started with today's video on how to earn $100 per day making simple videos. All right, so I'm going to take you to a blueprint on steps that will get you to where you want to be on YouTube. All right, so you can make videos. You don't have to show your face like I am today. You can make videos about certain topics and use affiliate marketing or something like that. Sell your own products to earn money from the videos. Okay, so you don't need a whole bunch of subscribers and a whole bunch of hours, because to monetize in YouTube you need so many subscribers and so many watch hours, and it takes time to get that. So before you get there, how do you make money? It's with affiliate marketing or selling your own products. Okay, and I'm going to share with you today exactly how you can get this done. All right, so we're going to start with YouTube. Okay, so we have YouTube is a simple source of traffic. Okay, so YouTube is a source of traffic. All right, so we're just going to put traffic source in here. Let's put traffic source. And by what I mean by traffic source, all videos are is it provides you a mechanism to get to your audience. Okay, so you got to have a traffic source so you can give your audience something that they want. All right, so the first thing is that we want a traffic source. Our traffic source is going to be YouTube with making simple videos. Okay, so I make a video, I have affiliate links, I talk about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, different techniques of how to make money online. And this is just one technique how you can do it with video. Okay, so you got yourself a channel, you don't got no subscribers yet. It's your traffic source. Okay, so there's a couple things that we want to do, and a lot of people are like, you got to get all your subscribers first, blah blah blah. But that's not always true. Okay, guys, because subscribers aren't the only way you can make money. Okay, what if you don't have enough subscribers to make money yet? You have to get your videos out there and use affiliate marketing to do that first initial bump to get you some money. Okay, when I first started YouTube, I was talking about cryptocurrency and affiliate marketing. Okay, so that's how I earned my income before I got a decent subscriber list. I still don't have that many subscribers. I think I'm at 1,500, maybe 1,600 subscribers. And guys, I make very little money from YouTube, but I make most of my money from affiliate marketing. Okay, so if I didn't have affiliate marketing to make money with, I wouldn't have anything else. All right, so guys, this is how you do it on video. Okay, so you got to find yourself some traffic. Your affiliate marketing, you got ClickBank out there, you got Peerfly, you have JVZoo, you got tons of products to sell. You just got to pick an audience and a niche so you have something to sell to. All right, so the next thing, the most important thing that you're going to need with your YouTube channel is watch time. Okay, because watch time is more important than anything else that you can actually think of, because what they are looking for is your watch time. This is the biggest, most important part of your videos is watch time. How long can you keep people engaged on your videos? Because if you can't get people engaged on your videos, then you have a shitty watch time average, which YouTube doesn't like. Okay, so this is more important than your subscribers, okay? Because more watch time you have, the more people they push to your channel, okay? The more views you get. It's all about the views. It's not about the subscribers. Many people think it's about the subscribers and likes and comments. It's about the views that you get, and you get that from your watch time, okay? If you have very good videos and a lot of watch time, that's why these really good YouTubers get a lot of watch time, because they put out quality videos, okay? So they're using backdrops and all this good stuff that I don't have, that makes their videos look really, really good, and they get more watch time, okay? The second thing that we're going to want to do is have a good, so once we got our traffic source, okay, we got this figured out, we want to use videos, all right? So the next thing we want to do is we want to pick a market, okay? So the very first thing you want to do is choose a market, all right? And what do I mean by that? I mean you need to choose a market to go after, okay? So I go after the make money online, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, digital marketing. I go after that niche, all right? So that's the niche that I go after. You just gotta pick one. It could be weightlifting, it could be weight loss, it could be fishing, it could be hunting, it could be survival, it could be nursing, it could be cooking, anything like that. Once you pick your market, now you know what products to promote to your audience, okay? So with products coming from JVZoo or products coming from ClickBank or wherever, Amazon affiliate, you can pick your market, whether it's around food, weightlifting, make money online, whatever it is, you can find products to sell, okay? So that's what we want to do. We want to find a market. So once we have this traffic source, we have our market, we have something in mind to talk about, so we can target specifically a targeted audience, okay? So that's very important. The next thing we want to do is you want to learn how to make the money. How am I going to actually make money now that I have, okay? Now that I have this avenue to make money, how do I do it? All right? So, man. So how do I make the money online? So there's two ways or three ways to do this, okay? So the first thing is partner program. You can get on a partner program, okay? So a partner program is with YouTube, okay? For instance, once you monetize your channel, but you got to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours before you can even start doing that. And you don't make any money, okay? So you make very little money until you get lots and lots. If you're getting thousands and thousands of views on every single video or a million views a month, then you're going to make some money on the partner program. But that's just one little piece of how to make money, okay? So until you get to that point, how you make money? It's with affiliate marketing, like I've been saying, okay? So affiliate marketing is very important because it's a way to make money online and on video. That's not your only way to make money. It's just one way, okay? So that's another way to make money. You find your products and you go promote other people's products, and that's affiliate marketing. So maybe you're selling a product and you're getting a commission for it, okay? So like if you drop down below the top link in my description, my #1 recommendation to make money online, that's an affiliate marketing link, okay? That's a product. It's a product that I am affiliated with that I promote, okay? So that's one way to make money. And another way is having your own products, okay? So you can have your own products, and once you get your own products, you promote them just the same way as affiliate marketing, but you're getting all the profit, okay? So you have your own products, you have a watch or bracelets or whatever it is, you can sell them to a targeted audience that you chose up here, okay? And you do that with your videos, okay? It could be wine, it could be food, whatever you want. All right, so once you have all that stuff, then you just choose your topics and go after it. All right, you choose your topic, you go after what you want to do, okay? So you already have your market, you have a way to make money. Now you're choosing your topic. So you're choosing your products. You're going after affiliate marketing. So you're finding your targeted topics that you need to make that money. You're finding what products to make for your specific targeted audience, you got that specific topic that you're going to talk about, go after it. So like for me, for instance, affiliate marketing is my number one topic. Make money online is another one. I point to those specific things in my videos. Okay, so it's very important to have those things. All right, guys, this is a very simple video, and I just wanted to get that out there that these things are very important. All right, so you must have these things to make money on here. All right, it's very easy to make money on YouTube, but you're not going to get it by doing nothing. You're going to get it by using this as your traffic source. All right, you're going to have your subscribers, your watch time. This is the most important part about your YouTube channel, your watch time. You're going to get your subscribers. They're going to come in time, okay? Your traffic source. This is very important for your targeted traffic. You're going to choose your market. You're going to make the money. You're going to pick different ways to make your money. All three of these ways are ideal because you're going to partner programs going to come in time. Affiliate marketing, you can start right away. Make your own products. You can start that right away as well. As soon as you start getting some experience and know what you're talking about, you make your own products. And then you choose your topics, your specific targeted topics that you promote to your chosen market. Okay? All right, guys. I don't want to speak no more about this topic. It's very simple, but you have to get out there and put in the work. All right? Very important that you go out there and put in the work. You get the training you need. And guys, like I said, my number one recommendation to make a full-time income online. If you click that link, you can get some of the most excellent training in the industry on affiliate marketing, online marketing, how to make money online. That's what this is all about. Okay, so click that link, go see what it's about, and see if you can get trained on making these simple ways to make money. Okay, guys. Again, my name is Zeb Summers. Peace out, and I'll catch you on the next video.